हर्ड मेंटालिटी जो हम देख रहे हैं लोगों में, कि जब भी हर्ड मेंटालिटी की याद आती है तभी मुझे माइग्रेशन याद आता है केनिया का। केनियन माइग्रेशन में आपको मालूम है कि वो विल्डरबीस्ट, दे क्रॉस फ्रॉम Tanzania to Masai Mara. So when they cross, there is a Mara river. Now everybody doesn't know why they are migrating. Maybe few people know it, but they all go into millions in together, correct? And when they go into the river, not everybody able to cross because the river is full of maybe crocodiles. There's a depth, and they really can't survive. And you can see through that many of them lose it. So in investment management is no different. In investment management, you have to keep your eyes and ear open while investing. You don't have to trust either any of your advisor or wealth manager blindly. You have to also do your some understanding of what are you getting into. Correct? When you know that what are you getting into, what is your temperament, and how long you are going to be here, how much you are expecting the returns out of the whole thing, I think then it becomes, this whole complex problem becomes simpler. What I have realized is in today's situation, in the more specifically post-pandemic, I think most, whether you are a young investor or whether mid-sized investor or a large investor, a risking ability has increased. People are getting, and I must not say everybody has to be greedy, but the greed has to be calibrated. I think we are becoming more speculative. We are becoming more greedy. We are not really happy to listen to the risk management. We are not very happy to come and say that this is not real. And if something goes haywire, are you prepared? We are illusionarily believing that what is happening today is going to continue for a long period of time. For example, agar BSE 500 index has made 40% return last year, doesn't mean that it is a replicable part of the story. But somebody has to bail the cat. Somebody has to say that there are few years you would see these kind of returns, but these returns need to be digested in a manner in which it doesn't really impact your portfolio as a whole. So your concentration, your allocation to managers, to asset classes has to be planned. And then it becomes a rocket science. And this rocket science, to make it simple, is get into something what you understand. If you don't understand, learn it. Don't do it blindly.